How to turn on or turn off edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on display. Next, we go down, and in here we're going to tap on edge panels. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now with the edge panel on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is a feature that provides quick access to apps, contacts, tools, and more by swiping in from the edge of the screen. So if you turn on, you can swipe in from the edge of the screen to quickly access shortcuts. It offers a customizable and convenient way to enhance your multitasking experience. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.